Superbet provides the sporting fanatics in Guyana with the opportunity to place wagers on their favorite team's chances of winning, losing, or drawing the game. Although it is a Surinamese-based company, it has been under the franchise of Guyana Holding Incorporated and has been operating in the country for the past 8 years. However, it was recently brought to the attention of the Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Basil Williams, that Superbet has been functioning without a gaming license.
When the matter came up, we passed in Parliament the other day the law to constitute a national coordinating committee. And during one of our statutory meetings, this issue was brought to my attention. It came up in the meeting. It came up at several meetings. And we have representatives from the Gaming Authority there and from GRA. The Gaming Authority is supposed to issue a certificate of good standing, which would guide the GRA into issuing a license. And of course, neither has occurred.
Superbet, however, argues that they are not a casino and do not need a license to conduct its operations. They have additionally indicated that they are not breaching any anti-money laundering laws and have made the necessary applications. However, the Attorney General is adamant that the due diligence has not been followed.
I have been given an explanation by the Commissioner General. He hasn't received any certificate of good standing. He hasn't issued any license. The Gaming Authority obviously hasn't found it convenient to, or that they haven't probably completed whatever, or they haven't reached a standard. Don't forget we had amended the law, and the directors, for example, of such an entity has to be fit and proper too. So you have to do all those the due diligence on the directors and the management, etc.
Ministry of Legal Affairs National Coordinating Committee, during its statutory meeting last month, stated that measures should be taken to ensure that Superbet faces the full force of the law. They were ordered under the Gambling Prevention Act, Chapter 902, to suspend immediately all internet gambling, sports betting, and/or lotteries or any other form of gambling in Guyana until further notice. In spite of that, the betting service argues that its functioning does not fall under the purview of the Gambling Prevention Act, and therefore it is not licensed under that act. Superbet has declared that the Gaming Authority has exceeded its authority and is acting without or outside of its jurisdiction when it purports to regulate or moreover shut down any business.
We cannot, as a law-abiding country where the rule of law exists, we cannot countenance anybody coming into our country and operating without a license when the law says you must have a license. That's all we say.
The Attorney General reminded that the supervisory body, the Gaming Authority, has certain obligations under the Anti-Money Laundering and Countering Financing of Terrorism Act 2009. Amel Griffith reporting for HDP Nightly News.